Good afternoon, folks. The Barry Cargyle 5 here, and today is a walk-around look on this 2005 Honda Civic EX sedan. And this is going to be a full and a tour of the Civic. We'll start the engine, show the performance details, and show the inside, shows the outside. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start up. Let it run. Silver exterior, the black leather interior. So, 87,545 miles. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Beep beep. Yeah. It looks like they have, yeah. I have a 2004 red Honda Civic on my channel, so, yep. Yeah. Yeah. With the automatic driver's window. And check the exterior, shall we? And not the Civic automatic transmission, headlights, fog lights, and the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And check the exterior, shall we? Yeah. The Civic has the alternating stuff like the 04 Honda. I have a red 2004 Honda Civic on my channel, so, yep. But this Honda has 504-liter power V6. Yeah. See how this sounds too. Yeah. Sounds like better too. Fan, dual exhaust. Yeah. Yep, it looks like they're dual exhaust and yeah. AM FM radio with CD player.
Stations. Learn more at bp.com/bestprice. Introducing touch-free payments from PayPal, a safe way for your customers to pay. Simply download the PayPal app and display your own unique QR code for your customers to scan. Poodle pamperer, piano tuner, or plumber.
Yeah.
Signing up to accept touch-free payments for your business is easy. Touch-free QR code payments. Shop safe with PayPal.
Check the back seat. Check the back seat. Yeah. Cup holders. Yeah. Yeah. Sound speakers. Yeah. It looks like awesome. Power storage. And storage windows. Yeah. Cloth seats. Cloth seats. Everything. Yeah. Automatic transmission with overdrive. Sorry about that, I forgot the transmission. I'm sorry about that, and please shut this off. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like they're Lafrook. And well guys, and see you guys walkthrough in-depth look on this 2005 Honda Civic EX. And tune in the next video, and hope you sure guys to subscribe wherever Matt came from. Take care everybody. Feet.